what prevents us from floating off into space? Why am I going down after every jump? Right, it's called gravity. Have you ever wondered about who discovered gravity? Yes, it is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton discovered that Earth has gravity. It is the invisible force that pulls everything toward the Earth's surface. Every scientist, including Isaac Newton, conducts scientific experiments due to their curiosity. And every scientist must conduct their experiment based on basic steps in the scientific investigations. The scientific method is used to answer questions around the world that comes into our minds. It is a set of procedures that scientists go through to gain knowledge about the world. There are 6 key steps that tend to solidify the scientific method. The first step is asking the question you would like to know. It is when a scientist proposes the problem that he wants to solve. If you're a scientist, you will be pretty curious about the world, won't you? Like Isaac Newton. The second step is making an observation. Observation is the step where you create a statement according to your prior knowledge gained through the senses or the use of scientific equipment. The third step is creating a hypothesis using the information you stated in your observation. A hypothesis is basically an educated guess or prediction about what will occur. It usually goes like this. If I do this, then this will happen. The fourth step is testing your hypothesis by conducting an experiment. Experiments are ordered investigations that are proposed to prove or disprove a hypothesis. One of the most important things when conducting an experiment is that you need to make sure you do a fair test. To make sure you're doing one, you must only change one variable or factor and keep the others the same. That way, we acquire fair results. The fifth step is to analyze the results or data. In other words, you are comparing the results of the experiment to the prediction indicated by the hypothesis. The sixth and final step is to draw a conclusion. A conclusion is a statement of whether the original hypothesis was supported or not by the observations gathered. Don't worry, if your conclusion doesn't support your hypothesis, it's okay. After all, you have gained the answer to your question, right? And even if it does support your hypothesis, you may still have further questions where you apply the scientific method all over again. Next, let me show you how the steps can feed back and branch out from one another with an example of my own experience. It's the experiment on black ink chromatography with 3 different brands of black markers. Question. Observation. Hypothesis. Materials. Experiment. Analysis. And of course, the last one, the conclusion. This is the end of my video. Like and subscribe. Bye. I'm off to eat my lunch.